Trust me, you are going to love this property. It does have everything that you gave me on your must-haves.
We trust you, Mischa. That's exactly why we contacted you in the first place. After watching your YouTube videos and seeing all the work you put into getting your customers the best results, we did some research and found all of the testimonials your Google review had and knew you were the agent we needed to hire.
I really do appreciate the compliment, my friend. That's just how I operate, and I get it. Being 1,000 miles away and trusting a total stranger can be quite nerve-wracking.
Oh, trust me, it is. But we have a great feeling that we are in good hands.
All right, let's get it started. So, what do you guys think?
Wow. Beautiful home, Mischa. It's way more than we expected. You checked off our entire list and more.
I'm glad you like it.
We actually want to submit an offer for the asking price.
Of course, I'll get the paperwork ready as soon as possible.